What's going on, guys? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today I'm going to be showing you all a brand new 2023 Forest River Wildwood Platinum Edition. And check this one out. Model number 31KQBTS. K for outdoor kitchen, QB for quad bunk, and TS for triple slide. 3 total slides with a dry weight, as this model currently sits, of 9,100 pounds. With a hitch weight of right at 1,000 pounds. So I'd recommend towing it with at least a 3/4 ton gas or diesel. So the manufacturer is calling this one the ultimate 2-bedroom travel trailer. You've got a king bed in the front, pretty much your standard normal, you've probably seen it before, living / kitchen, with a dual slide, really interesting bunk setup in the back, with a universal sofa that Wildwood is pretty much known for, that opens up to a universal queen. Let's start on the inside first, considering the sun's starting to go down and the lighting is kind of bad right now. Model number 31K for outdoor kitchen, QB for quad bunk, TS for triple slide. Pretty much your standard living / kitchen if you're familiar with most bunk models on the market. So when you try to cram this much sleeping and slides in the 36-37 foot travel trailer, you pretty much get the standard layout here. Wildwood does things a little bit different. They call this the universal lounge, universal dinette, the Versa furniture. This lays flat to a bed, as well as this. I'll try to put a picture somewhere in the video here to show you guys exactly what I'm referencing, but this entire thing will lay flat, or you can convert this to the L-shaped lounge, which is really great for if you're going to be lounging back watching your television over on this side here. Your slide box is in fact 5'7", so if you're a taller guy like myself, just be cautious of that. Your windows are trimmed out with gray roller shades with a valance on both sides of the window, so that's kind of nice. All the carpet has been removed this year from the Wildwood brand. This is the Platinum Edition, by the way. They've replaced it with this woven type material, and while I'm also down here, you have right at 20 cubic feet of these additional totes found on board. So 3 under here plus 1 underneath both of the booths over here. So these are also food safe, or you can get kind of creative, maybe give one of these to each one of your kids. Let them go upstairs and pack what they think they need, and of course check that before going, but have them bring it out to the coach and actually get them involved with loading things out. It kind of makes camping fun. Let's look at your kitchen area over here. Your countertops are what I call the pressed membrane. It is that hard heated plastic that's just wrapped over that material. Residential faucet, and there's a shot of your backsplash. Standard size camper oven. And this is something different. Normally you have a 10 cubic foot. Wildwood has the largest 12-volt fridge. This is going to be the 11 cubic foot. So look out, 11 cubic feet compared to 10. 12-volt fridge. This does work off that 200 watt solar panel on the roof this year. This coach is also going to be outfitted with an electric fireplace, but you'll notice randomly placed floor vents throughout the floor, which is where most of the heat comes from. You're going to have 2 air conditioners. One's going to be a 15K, which is racetracked all the way throughout, so it'll blow in the back bedroom. It's also going to blow as well in the main bedroom. But you also have a second 13.5 back there, but we'll look at that in a second. This is going to be your pantry. Maybe you guys can see this. Pause the video. Kind of gives you an idea on what this universal lounge can do. That's the L shape that I was referencing, or just one long continuous bed for this entire slide, for maybe some overflow, but you might not need it. There is plenty of sleeping room on board of this one. I did not show you your cabinets. So let's go ahead and go back to the guest bedroom, and then we'll go bathroom, and then the main bedroom in the front. So 2 opposing slides, gives you lots of sleeping room, 2 on the left, possibly 3 more individuals on the right. The bottom one does fold up, but I'm gonna have to pull the mattress off, so bear with me 1 second. If at any time during the video you find it a plus or a negative, leave me a comment telling me what you like or maybe dislike, or leave me a thumbs up. Those are very helpful as well. Notice all the carpet's been removed. That's a big plus, big yay. Normally when these things come in on trade, that's the first thing you look at is all the carpet's been, you know, trampled, which is normal wear and tear. That's a big plus for me. I like seeing that removed. Versa Queen opens up. I'll put the dimensions right here in the video, but check this out. You have a chalkboard, really cool place maybe for the kids if they're kind of bored, stuck inside the camper on a rainy day. You can also lay this flat, giving you some additional sleeping. I'll leave a picture here in the video also of this opened up. You can also click the link found down below. That takes you over to our website where you can view pricing as well as availability for all the different makes and models that we carry. This is your TV connections here. So maybe room for about a 48-inch TV. And this is going to be all the breakers. Let's take a look at your bathroom. Pretty tight bathroom, plastic, foot flush toilet, bathroom vanity with some additional shelving, medicine cabinet. Continue to like and subscribe. Thank you for all my subscribers. Ceiling height probably right at 72 inches once you're inside the shower. Let's come up to the main bedroom now. So this is a custom king size 66 by 78 bed. So what you're looking at pretty much, this should help you out some. That's the square fitted sheet. And what they've done is they cut off the corner of the mattress to give you a little bit more additional walking room around the bed. You have a hydraulic strut to assist lifting up some of those heavier mattresses. Some additional totes. TV connections are found at the foot of the bed. Make sure you have a professional do that. You don't want to miss the stud or maybe mount too big of a TV. Pass through under the bed. Laundry hamper. 110 outlets and USB. That's the USB here. You have 110 maybe for a CPAP machine inside of your hanging closet. Let's look at the MSRP as well as the price. And again, I really do appreciate if you guys drop me some thumbs up. MSRP, maybe you can pause it here, of $61,513. Our sales price. I'm a really small dealer in Meridian, Mississippi, but if you're looking for a really competitive price, as well as maybe good customer service after the sale, give us a look. If you're not interested in seeing anything on the outside, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. I greatly do appreciate it. But coming at you right at 37 feet long, 96 inches wide for the main box. You got 2 20-pound bottles found on the front, electric tongue jack, battery disconnect switch. You do got the diamond plate to assist with some of the road debris kicked up from your tires, and again right at 1,000 pounds of hitch weight. So just my recommendation is 3/4 ton, at least a 3/4 ton. I personally feel like this is too much for today's half tons in the market. Really big awning, probably right at 14 feet. 6-gallon gas or electric hot water heater, 30,000 BTU furnace, outdoor speakers. That's just a power connection. So look over here. Your outdoor kitchen has television connections, and you can maybe put comfortably a 32, and you can probably get creative and get a little bit bigger on that. Propane grill does hook up to the quick disconnect found right over here. Electric stabilizers on the front and the back. These are only going to go down until they feel about 10 pounds of pressure before they completely stop. I'm not going to waste your time with doing it all the way down. Lippert component for you to purchase a ladder. I wish the manufacturer would honestly go back to just putting those ladders back on the campers. Roof maintenance is a must. I don't understand that. I guess, I mean, there are pros and cons to it. You now have different accessories you can put on the bumper a lot easier. Power cord, it is provided. They'll have about a 20-foot power cord, and this right here is your city water connection and your black tank flush. And back here, 4x4 tubular bumper, so if you are looking for a place to store your sewer lines, that's also nice. Multiple sewer connections. You got a outlet here for gray and black right over here. Fully enclosed underbelly with a triple rack and pinion slide. Let's come around and show you your front pass-through compartment. Magnetic latch. Over there, I also failed to point that out. That is a 30 amp charger which monitors that 100 watt solar panel found on the roof, which again sends over the charge to the battery. Continue to like and subscribe. Come see us.